Right behind me is Nirav Modi's bungalow, the PNB scam absconder. This luxurious bungalow is about 30,000 square feet, and today it's being demolished by the collector's office here in Raigad because this bungalow in fact violates CRZ norms as well as state permit rules. It's about 30,000 square feet in size, and of course it has gardens, and it's right on Kihim beach. The valuables now in this place, from what we understand, this entire property, at approximate estimate, it would cost about 100 crore rupees. It's over 30,000 square feet in its size, and there was a swimming pool in there. There were valuables in there. This is the structure that is being demolished, and apart from the bungalow, even the garden that has been built around it, we're being told has violated the norms and is illegal in nature, and that's one of the reasons why the entire structure is being demolished today. As you can see, wires have been attached inside the pillars of the building to ensure that when the detonators are used, every single structure, every single pillar of this entire bungalow comes apart. Around January, the ED, the Enforcement Directorate, came and packed away all the valuables. They took them in two trucks and went, and then this was handed over to the collector's office.
Everything has been done since last 3 days. We were at site. Last night total we were here. In the morning we have finished all the primary work. Now within some time our DM will come over here and he will trigger the track and it will be exploded. So basically CRZ violation was there. No building permission for all these bungalows.
यहाँ 3 दिन से हम बंदोबस्त दे रहे हैं. 3 पुलिस अधिकारी है और 20 पुलिस कर्मचारी है.
Preparations to demolish this house have been going on for weeks now. It's been about over a month since preparations have been on. There have been heavy machinery that have been brought on this very location, and in fact they have been used to raise the walls down. But from what we understand, the foundation of the building is so strong that in fact the collector's office was taking quite some time to demolish the whole building. That's the reason they decided to use dynamites worth over 50 kilos is what we understand at the moment, that have been planted in the walls of the building, and that will be collectively blown up using a detonator in just a few minutes time.